Good morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed exercise 22A. Today we are going to start exercise 22B. So let us see the first question of this exercise. From the following figure, find first y, second sine x degree, third sec x degree minus 10 x degree bracket close, sec x degree plus 10 x degree bracket close. This figure is given here. So first part, y square is equal to 2 square minus 1 square, means base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So y square is equal to 4 minus 1. Here y square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So y is equal to root over 3. This is our first answer. Now second part, sine x degree is equal to what? So sine x degree, as we know that sine theta is equal to p by h. Therefore p is x degree, means according to this angle this will be p, y upon 2. So what is the value of y? It is, we have already proved y is equal to root 3 by 2. This is our second answer. Third, sec x degree minus 10 x degree bracket close, sec x degree plus 10 x degree bracket close. So sec x degree is equal to h by b. So what is h? Hypotenuse is 2 and b, base will be 1. So that is equal to 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 10 x degree is equal to p by b. So what is perpendicular? Y upon base is equal to 1. So the value of y is root 3 upon 1, that is equal to root 3. Now we'll put it their value in the given question. According to question, sec x degree minus 10 x degree bracket close, x sec x degree minus 10 x degree bracket close, sec x degree plus 10 x degree. So 2 minus root 3 bracket close, 2 plus root 3. As we know, there is one identity, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write down here 2 square minus root 3 square. So 2 square is equal to 4 minus root 3 square is equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 will be 1. This is our answer. Now we'll see next question number 3. In the diagram given below, triangle ABC in right angle at B, right angle at B it is given, and BD is perpendicular to AC. Find first part cos angle DBC, second part cot DB angle DBA. Now we will see in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, first we'll find out the value of AC. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to, what is the value of BC? P 5 square plus 12 square. So AC square is equal to 25 plus 144. So AC square is equal to 25 plus 144, 169. So AC is equal to root over 169. So AC is equal to 13. Now we got it the value of AC. We don't know the length of CD. So we will assume let CD be X and AD be 13 minus X. In triangle BCD, let us see in triangle BCD. In this smaller triangle, BD square is equal to BC square minus CD square. So BD square is equal to, what is the value of BC? 5 square minus X square. So BD square is equal to 25 minus X square. This is our first equation. Now in triangle ABD, in this triangle, let us see BD square is equal to what? AB square minus AD square. So BD square is equal to AB, the value of AB is given 12 square minus 13 minus X whole square. So BD square is equal to 12 square means 144 plus A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Therefore 169 minus 26x plus X square. This is our second equation. You will notice that BD square in both the equation they are same, so this will also be same. So we can write down like this: 144 minus 169 plus 26x minus X square equals to 25 minus X square. So 26x is equal to 25 minus X square plus X square minus 144 plus 169. So minus X square plus X square will cancel out. So 26x is equal to 169 plus 25 is equal to 194 minus 144. So 26x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 by 26. Divide both sides by 2. 25 to the 50 and 13 to the 26. So x is equal to 25 by 13. So therefore CD is equal to 25 by 13. Now let us find out the value of AD. AD is equal to AC minus CD. AD is equal to AC minus CD. So 13 minus 25 by 13. Therefore AD is equal to, we will take it 13 as LCM. 13 13 is 169 minus 25. So 169 minus 25 is equal to 144 by 13. So AD is equal to 144 by 13. Then we have to find out BD square. By equation 1, we have seen that BD square is equal to 25 minus x square. So BD is equal to 25 minus the value of x is 25 by 13 whole square. So 25 BD is equal to root over 25 minus 625 by 169. We'll take it 169 as a LCM here. So 169 into 25 is equal to 4225 minus 625. So BD is equal to, after subtracting, we'll get it 3600 upon 169 root over. So BD is equal to square root of 3600 is equal to 60 and the square root of 169 will be 13. So BD is equal to 60 by 13. Let us find out the value of first part. Cos angle DBC is equal to cos DBC, angle DBC is equal to B by H. So DBC, according to this angle, cos is equal to B by H means BD by BC, means 60 by 13 upon the value of BC is given 5. So 60 by 13 into, here we will reciprocate this number 1 by 5. 5 12 is 60. So 12 by 13 will be our answer. Now for second part, cot angle DBA is equal to what? So cot angle DBA is equal to B by P. That is equal to, according to this angle, B will be BD by AD. So 16 by 30 is BD upon AD is equal to what? 144 by 13. Now by reciprocating this, 60 by 13 into 13 by 144. 13 will cancel out. 12 is 144. 12 5 is 60. So 5 by 12 will be our answer. Now let us see next question number 6. In the figure given below, ABC is an isosceles triangle with BC is equal to 8 cm and AB is equal to AC is equal to 5 cm. Find first part sin B, second part tan C, third part sin square B plus cos square B, fourth part tan C minus cot B. Let us see. In this isosceles triangle, we have to put it one perpendicular line from A to BC. So when we will give a perpendicular line to from the vertex to the base, it will bisect this base in isosceles triangle. So BD will be 4 and CD is also 4. 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Now let us find out AD square is equal to what? In triangle ABD, in this smaller triangle ABD, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So AD square is equal to, AB is given 5 square minus this is 4 square, it is given. So AD square is equal to 25 minus 16. So AD square is equal to 9. So AD is equal to root over 9. So AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Now first part, sin B. Sin B is equal to P by H, means AD by AB. Therefore the value of AD is given 3. We got it here 3 and AB is 5 given. This is our first answer. Tan C. According to this, tan C, P by B. So what will be the P? AD by CD, that is equal to 3 by 4. This is our second answer. Now third part, sin square B plus cos square B. So sin square B, what is the value of sin B? Sin B is given AD by AB whole square plus BD by AB whole square. So the value of sin B we already got it, 3 by 5 whole square plus cos B we already, cos B means B by H means BD by AB. BD by AB means 4 by 5 whole square. So 9 by 25 plus 16 by 25, will take it LCM of 25 and 25, it will be 25. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 by 25. By cancelling we'll get it 1. So 1 will be our answer of the third part. Now fourth part, tan C minus cot B. Tan C means, tan means P by B means AD by CD minus cot means B by P means BD by AD. So 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3. Take it LCM of 4 and 3. It will be 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7 by 12. This will be our answer. Now let us see question number 8. Using the measurement given in the following figure, find first part the value of sin phi and tan theta. Second part, write expression for AD in in terms of theta. So let us see, this figure is given here. So in triangle BCD, let us see, in BCD, in this triangle, CD square is equal to what? CD square is equal to BD square minus BC square. So CD square is equal to 13. It is given 13 square minus 12 square. 12 square. So CD square is equal to 169 minus 144. So CD square is equal to 25. So therefore CD is equal to root over 25, which is equal to 5. Now from D we have to draw a perpendicular line, parallel line. Draw DE parallel to BC. We will draw from D a parallel line DE parallel to BC. Now BE is equal to what? BE is equal to CD, that is equal to BE is equal to CD. So this is 5. So therefore AE is equal to what? If AB is equal to 14 centimeter, then AE is equal to AB minus BE, which is equal to 14 minus 5. So A is equal to 9. Now ED is equal to BC is equal to 12 centimeter. ED is equal to BC is equal to 12 centimeter because both are parallel and equal. Now in triangle BCD, let us see BCD. Sin phi, this is phi. Sin phi is equal to P by H. So CD by BD, that is equal to 5 by 13. This is our first answer. Now second answer, AED, in triangle AED. AED, in this triangle, tan theta is equal to what? P by B, means ED by AE. ED by AE. So ED is equal to 12 by 9. Now simplifying this number, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 by 3 will be our answer. Second part, in AED, in this triangle, sec theta is equal to H by B. H by B means AD by AE. AD by AE. The value of AE is 9. So sec theta is equal to AD by 9. By making a cross multiplication, AD is equal to 9 sec theta. So this is our answer. Therefore children, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.